Welcome to Vridhivesh Finance. We have bring one of the IPO on this weekend, and the name of IPO is Indian Pesticide Limited IPO 2021. This company is into the pesticides majorly, and yes, also into herbicides. So basically, this is related products to the agriculture. Across the world, people do agriculture in every country around the world. So wherever there is an agriculture sector is there, the people will use pesticides, fungicides, or herbicides to gain more profit from the agriculture land. Indian Pesticide Limited is working since 1984. This is one of the fastest growing agrochemical company, and yes, this company is have several technical such as phosphate, thiocarbonate, and herbicides, etc. Their diversified product herbicides, fungicides, and technical active pharmaceutical ingredient API. They are having a R&D department, well equipped, where they do a lot of research. And yes, this company has registered under the Act 1956 on 13th December 1984 in Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur. They have registered, and their company dissolutions dated June 13, 1987. Indian Pesticides, this company is having export market 56.71% operation revenue in fiscal 2021 years. Means this year they have did 56% exports. They are having exporting their material across 25 countries in 5 continents, that is Australia, North and South America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. Their formulation primarily domestic through the extensive network by dealers and distributors. They are having an including crop protection manufacturing company such as Syngenta Asia Pacific Limited, UPL Limited, Azenta Agro SA. Consequently, crop protection PYT Limited and Sharda Crop Chem Limited and Stotra Pty Limited. They have established relationship with their customers whom they have been associated over 10 plus years. For further information, please log on indianpesticidelimitted.com. Indian Pesticides product portfolio, where you can see they are having many variants products based on fungicides, herbicides, IPL Star, Talwar, Sulfur 80%, WDG, IPL Cathinol, GR, Triocathinol, Cantinol, GR.05% minimum, IPL Guru SP, gibberellic acid, IPL Guru, gibberellic acid Shakti API, anti-scabies drugs, antifungal drugs, Ethion, IPL Cantinol, and Tricontinol EC 0.0% minimum. Where their contact us, you can find it. Their head office is situated in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, where they're having their presence over there, basically plants and all in Uttar Pradesh as well as Lucknow and Hardoi. They are having a presence in Rajasthan, Hisar, New Delhi, Kolkata, Borivali in Mumbai, Punjab, and Chhattisgarh in Raipur. Where Rajasthan, they are having presence in Jaipur and Sri Gangagarh In MP, Indore, they are having presence at Devasnaka and Bhopal. Where Tamil Nadu and Chennai, they are having a presence. So this is where they have channelized their business across the India. And yes, this company is existing since 1984. So this is a trust making company, and they are doing a lot of export, and they have achieved a target somewhere around 56% in 2021. They have exported their product to other countries, and so that's the reason we are presenting this company, Indian Pesticide. Indian Pesticides IPO, detailed IPO opening date is on 23rd June 2021. IPO closing date will be 25th June 2021. Type issue is book build issue. IPO face value 1 rupees per equity share. IPO price band between 290 to 296 per equity, where market lot size is 50 shares. Minimum order quantity is 50 shares. Listing at NSE and BSE, where you can see basis of allotment date will be 30 June. Initiation of refund will be 1st July. Credit of shares to your demat account will be 2nd July, and IPO listing date will be 5th July. Vridhi Finance give one of the prediction subscription tips. This is not a tips, basically this is just a prediction. We are expecting this IPO will be get subscribed between 55% minimum to 135% maximum. Please keep watch on grey market strategy, market risk on own decision. Yes, the shares will be pre-issue shareholding will be 82.68% by promoters, and post shareholding will has not been disclosed yet, where you can see you can apply minimum one lot, that is 50 shares per lot, and cost will be 14,800. Maximum you can apply 13 lots, where the number of shares will be 650. And the amount will be cost you rupees 1,92,400 only. For further information, please log on NSE1 www.1nseindia.com. Thank you by Vridhi Finance. Wages to Finance is a Gmail ID of us. For further any comments or anything which you would like to say to improve on our channel, please send us on email privately, or you can comment it into the comment box. Dear investors, basically this Indian Pesticide company is into the agriculture related business, so it will be survive even next 50 years too, if you check, because everybody needs a food, and food is important in day-to-day life. So when food protections comes, it is into the crop protections. For crop protections, you need a fertilizer, you need chemicals, you need herbicides, fungicides, whatever. They are doing the same products. So this will be survive at least for next few decades, we can say. It's a good to grow with the economy of India, and it's good to grow with the with your valuable money as investors.